Day 26 of trading with a starting capital of €1,000. This was my first trading day of 2026, and my first goal was to recover the losses from the last two trading days. Here's what happened today. I started the day with an analysis on Nasdaq. The price had reached a strong resistance level, and the RSI and MACD were providing additional confluence. I placed the stop loss above a strong resistance and set the take profit before the next support level. I decided to trade with 1.5 lots. I placed the limits and entered a sell trade. The position was opened, and all that was left was to wait for it to develop. Strong volatility followed. The price moved in my direction, then suddenly spiked against me, but it did not hit my stop loss, and afterward it reversed again in my favor. The price reached the 200 moving average and could soon approach a support level. Due to the strong volatility, I decided to close the trade manually around that level. My profit from this trade was €113. I continued the day with an analysis on gold. The price had already made a significant drop. The 20 and 50 moving averages had crossed, indicating a further downside. On a higher time frame, their alignment was giving an even stronger signal for additional decline. The start of the drop also aligned with the 0.382 Fibonacci level. It was time for another trade. I opened a conservative trade of just zero point zero 0.03 lots, but without limits as I wanted to monitor and manage the position manually. The price made the expected drop but soon reached a support. Since it was Friday and the day was nearing its end, I closed the trade manually with a profit of €56. I managed to recover the losses from the last two trading days with a total profit of €169. This was a daily growth of around 8% and a final balance of €2,279.